Hiya Notters! How many of us have bad memories about drawing, painting or making art at school? Somehow the lessons in drawing, painting or any other form of art are filled with moments of critique. My oldest son, for instance, had one at a very young age. He was very smart and wanted to read and learn math, but had not so much interest in drawing or painting. His kindergarten teacher told him his drawings were bad. She even said he couldn't even draw a stick figure. This remark has been stuck in his mind until now, and due to that, he never considered ever more to take a pencil nor a brush to start to create something, unless they forced him to do. I really do not understand why we get these classes throughout our education to make things, but they are always getting rated. That way, it's not something that you do for fun, for creation's sake, or for your well-being. That way, it's something that needs to be pretty, beautiful, or even great in the eyes of the teacher. It's like sports. It all has to be about winning, and I consider doing it way more important than winning. It's sad that we need to learn so much in life, but we don't learn how to feel good, how to take care of ourselves. And creating could be such a big part of well-being. Everybody is creative at something. You can be creative with pottery, gardening, woodworking, music, or even with writing, dancing, or the theatre. We will have to reconsider our idea about rating and things we create. We need to learn to rate it as important, as soul food, as something you need to do on a regular basis. We all are creative beings. We all need to express ourselves, and sometimes even without talking. They did a research on young people and asked them to give a measurement about how they felt during their days. And then they saw a significant difference, especially on the day after they created. So it didn't only give them a feeling of well-being on the moment and on that day, but also on the day after they had been creative. They felt more happy, more energized, and had more enthusiasm during their day. Being creative helps us to process things we cannot talk about. It's such a magical act in itself. We are all created, and by creating we are giving back that energy. By creating you also give a certain level of pleasure to others, because it gets them thinking about it. We shouldn't rate creativity by being beautiful. We should rate it by the level of how much it touches our soul. I wished kids would learn that on a young age, that creativity is very important and a need for your own well-being. This is not your normal art channel. It's not about beauty nor about perfection. I try to show you it's not about what you create, but the fact you do create. And it will enable your own well-being. Even though I have these inner fights with my inner critic, I'm still doing it. So don't wait any longer. Start to use words to empower your intentions. Use color to reflect your feelings. Use mark making to create some zen. Use different kinds of brushes and paint just for fun. It's okay to make ugly things, it's okay to make mistakes, and it's very much okay to create a mess. It's all about use of art and creativity as a mindful practice and to create a moment of being right here, right now, every single day to enhance a more happy and fulfilling life. You can rate my art as beautiful, weird, messy, or sells even ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I made that day. I don't do things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I make without a filter. It's all about expressing and well-being. If you like what you see, please follow my channel. And you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day. Think of how you can change your mood with being creative in any way. And last but not least, please try to be aware of all the things you are grateful for. I hope you will create something today. A big hug from me and bye-bye for now.